Hi guys, happy Sunday, March 1st. Can you believe it? March 1st. This is what we're working with today. So many eggs my girls gave me just today in this cold state of Michigan. Here's my abundance of surplus. Crazy, huh? Yeah, so that's what we're working with. And this is what we're working with. Remember yesterday? It's beautiful. Well, the sun wasn't really out that much. There's Kangaroo. She just wants to play ball. Say hi. Say happy Sunday. Happy March 1st. I don't really care about anything but my ball. So yeah, this is what we're working with, guys. Snow was almost completely melted yesterday, and here we are again. Sunday. All she cares about is her ball. Good Lord blessed us with snow last night. And here we are today. And then the sun's out. So it's all just gonna melt and make a muddy mess. That's my dog Kangaroo, if you have never met her before. If you watched any of my past videos, I'm sure you have. She's a Belgian Malinois, just a black one. She is our only child left in the home. Her other children are all grown, and she don't care about nothing but her ball. Huh? That's all you care about. And she loves the snow. She absolutely loves the snow. So there it is. Snowed long enough to melt and make a mess. Well, begin to melt. How about that? So yeah, this is what we're working with here in Michigan. On Kangaroo. She'll just stay until you let her play her ball. So yeah, my goal is to put a video out once or twice a weekend. So that's what I'm going to do. I wish I lived an exciting life, but I really don't. But I can at least share the many seasons of Michigan. Mainly cold, if I haven't told you before. There are my girls. They're out this morning, or afternoon, I guess, wherever you are. In Michigan, it's the afternoon. And here she comes with her ball again. I don't care about anything, Mom, but my ball. So just throw it. Go get your ball thrower. Go get your ball thrower. She's doing this new thing with her nose. It's so freaky. Just moving her nose over. Can you sit? Can you sit? Can you pretty? Good, pretty. Good, pretty. She doesn't care about much other than her ball. Can you bow? Nope. Up, up, bow. Yes, good bow. I think she's more excited about the snow than us humans get. Can you sit? Pretty. Good, pretty. Sit. Down. Down. Good, down. Could be so easy to just wake up in the morning and be like, ugh, this is horrible. This snow, life is so horrible. But really, at the end of the day, God's given us a beautiful picture. Just sometimes have to sit back and look at it. Be thankful for your many blessings. Hopefully we don't have much snow left. I'm really honestly praying that this is our last bit of snow we get. But in Michigan, you really just never know. You'll wake up with a t-shirt and shorts and end the day in a winter jacket, jeans, hoodies, anything to keep you warm. And maybe even a nice warm fire. So yeah, I just thought I would share this with you today. We had a muddy mess yesterday. The sun wasn't out. I guess it was out for a little while in the morning, but it was kind of a cloudy day for the most part. Today, the sun is out. We have clear skies. Then we have this. My dog Kangaroo. Her ball. And the snow. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I hope you didn't have to wake up to this I guess not beautiful. Hope you didn't have to wake up to this snow, but I'm sure some people did. Can you sit? Sit. Sit. Pretty? Just like a statue. Good, pretty. So yeah, sometimes we just kind of look around and see the beauty that we have in front of us. Thank our lucky stars. Praise the Lord Jesus. He gives us a different picture every day. Never gets boring here on earth. Wake up to gloomy days, wake up to sunny days, and wake up to snow. Someday I'd like to wake up in the warm state of Florida or Tennessee. Never have to see this stuff ever again. Although I think Tennessee does see some of it, but not as much as we do, I'm sure. Lord willing, that will happen before I go to heaven. But if he keeps me here forever, then I guess that was just part of his plan for my life. And I have to accept it, right? Got 1, 2. Oh, only 3 girls out today. Oh, one's going in. 2 are out. Oh, here comes another one. Do any of you have chickens? And if so, what are the many reasons why you have chickens? I honestly have chickens to help my family. Give them eggs. Make sure they all have some kind of source of protein. And it gives me something to do. Not that I don't have enough to do already, but I enjoy blessing people with eggs. Some people pay me for them, but gonna have to make another egg run soon. Give some to my daughter. She was supposed to come yesterday to get some, but she didn't, so As you can see, I have an abundance. I need to get rid of them, so I'll probably spend some time and take some to her today. If you have chickens, are your chickens laying really well for you this year? Are you struggling to get the egg production that you need or you want? And do you sell your eggs? Or do you just give them to your family members? I will say those chickens right there are some good laying chickens. Haven't seen any fat squirrels down there by the swing set this morning. Either A, the corn is all gone, or B, maybe they're sleeping in this morning. Who knows? The dog that never stops. If you have lots of energy and you want a high-strung dog, Belgian Malinois is where it's at. They're good protectors. They love to learn. They're not as bad as, most people make them out to be. Like you'll see all these videos. I guess maybe some of them are, but thankfully she's not. Some videos you'll see they tore the whole couch apart, tore the walls down in houses. But they do take a lot of work and they like their brain stimulated. Clearly, this one's addicted to the ball. And she is a very good goalie. So if you need a goalie for your soccer team, look at that. You'll win every time. No balls getting past her. She's non-stop. They're not very cuddly, lovey dogs. That's one thing I will say that I don't like. It's because once in a while you just, you want to cuddle your pet. She'll let you pet her once in a while. But nothing like some dogs. You need a goalie. This is your dog. Nothing too exciting today, but I wanted to come out and show you this beautiful snow. I'm not going to have too many days of them left, hopefully. Lord willing. Just wanted to show you the beautiful picture that God gives us here in Michigan. Yeah. So enjoy your day. Enjoy your week ahead coming. Hopefully you don't have to work too hard. And or if you do, hopefully you love what you do. Unfortunately, I can't say that I do. But there's just not a lot of things you can do here in Michigan. A lot of the good jobs that we did have left to go to other countries. So yeah, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do to make a living. So anyways, happy March 1st. Have a blessed Sunday. Go out there and put some goodness into the world and see what happens.